Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram new fonts not showing or working. So if you want to explore a new font on Instagram, especially on Instagram story, but you cannot seem to find it, or maybe it is there but you cannot use it or it's not working, you can just follow these steps right here to try to fix it. So first you can just close the Instagram app first, and then you can go to the settings on your phone, scroll down, and then click on the app settings. So in here under the app list you can just find Instagram, open it, and you'll go to this apps info page of Instagram. So this is the Instagram on my phone. Now you can try to go to the storage and cache and try to clear the cache. Okay, after that you can check or back on the Instagram apps again and see if the problem is fixed. If it's not, you can try to clear the storage, but once you do that you'll be logged out of your Instagram, so you need to re-log in again. Or you can also check if your Instagram apps need any updates, so you can go to the Google Play Store in here, then click on a search at the bottom, and then type in Instagram on the search bar. Okay, so you guys can see here my Instagram need updates, so you can just click on update in here, and after that here you can just wait until the updating process is finished. So after you update the apps, you can try to reboot your phone before you open the Instagram app again, and after that you can turn back your phone on and then open the Instagram and see if the problem is fixed. Okay, so my Instagram has been updated. So after you do that, after you clear cache, clear data, and you already update, but the problem seems not is not fixed yet, you can try to contact the Instagram team or ask them for help. You can go to your Instagram apps. Here I'm going to find Instagram. Then you can just head to your profile, click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, scroll down and choose these options. Click on help. Here you can report a problem, and here Instagram will ask you to shake your phone before you report a problem. You can go back and shake your phone, but here I'm going to just click on report problem without shaking. And after that here you can just briefly explain what happened or what's not working on your Instagram, in this case the phones. You can just tell that you've experiencing issue with the new Instagram phones, like they weren't showing or working, and after that you can click on send and then just wait for their feedback. So that's very much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.